Welcome to this epic $150 million Miami Mega Mansion featuring a massive private superyacht dock.
Look at those massive geometric white walls and infinity pool blending perfectly into the beautiful aqua blue bay.
Step inside this insane grand foyer where polished stone floors meet endless natural sunlight and oceanfront glass walls.
This gorgeous drawing room offers completely zero clutter, featuring sleek designer furniture and absolutely incredible uninterrupted bayfront views.
The huge primary living lounge features disappearing sliding glass walls that perfectly blend the indoors with the outside. Check out this unbelievable modern master kitchen boasting a massive white marble island and sleek charcoal-tinted appliances.
You could host the most epic billionaire dinner parties right here in this completely flawless, formal dining space.
Imagine running your entire global empire directly from this breathtaking executive home office with uninterrupted tropical ocean views.
Wake up every single day to jaw-dropping, beautiful blue bayfront views inside this massive primary master bedroom. This primary master ensuite bathroom is absolutely gigantic, featuring a massive stone soaking tub and stunning glass walls. This beautiful home library is a peaceful paradise, featuring floor-to-ceiling shelves and gorgeous water views. Grab your morning caffeine fix right here at this sleek artisanal coffee bar with premium espresso machines. Nature meets ultra luxury inside this breathtaking indoor botanical atrium flooded with glorious natural Florida sunlight. Your lucky guests will never want to leave this stunning guest bedroom featuring a private glass balcony. Check out this insane sculptural floating marble staircase that looks like a literal piece of modern art. Pour a glass of your finest vintage inside this jaw-dropping coastal-inspired wine-tasting lounge today. This massive secondary master bedroom offers incredible pool deck access and flawless open-concept luxury living. Experience absolute billionaire-level relaxation inside your very own private massage and spa treatment room here.
Enjoy your morning meals in this beautiful sun-drenched breakfast nook, looking directly out onto the bay.
Perfect your swing right here inside this insane professional golf simulator room featuring massive high-tech tracking screens.
This vibrant family bedroom suite offers a totally open concept layout with bright natural light and custom decorations.
Even doing laundry feels elite inside this ultra-clean space, loaded with top-tier charcoal appliances and storage. Check out this incredible VIP guest bathroom boasting stunning aqua accent tiles and an open concept glass shower.
Look up at this spectacular layered ceiling design featuring crisp geometric lines and brilliant warm recessor lighting everywhere. Relax in style on this expansive indoor terrace lounge that frames the gorgeous panoramic bay views completely perfectly. Rest easy knowing your entire estate is fully protected by this high-tech residential security control nerve center. This beautifully designed romance room offers an intensely relaxing atmosphere with plush white seating and gorgeous ocean backdrops. Swim all year round inside this spectacular enclosed indoor pool lounge completely surrounded by massive glass architectural grids. Show off your epic heavy bikes collection inside this custom showroom featuring brilliant polished floors and bright spotlighting.
This beautifully designed guest bathroom features stunning polished stone tiles, premium charcoal fixtures, and massive bright mirrors everywhere.
Glide between floors in style inside this incredible custom glass elevator, offering panoramic views of your entire mansion. Relax with your family inside this cozy, casual TV lounge, boasting a massive screen and plush designer seating.
This massive indoor service kitchen extension is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances for your private chefs. The expansive upstairs family lounge provides the ultimate space for relaxation, with soaring ceilings and endless natural sunlight.
Marvel at this custom grand chandelier that serves as a magnificent sculptural masterpiece in the center of the estate. Treat your closest friends to absolute royalty inside this spectacular VIP guest bedroom suite with an open concept layout. Find your inner peace inside this beautiful small indoor botanical zen garden featuring lush tropical greenery and stones. The ultra-modern butler's pantry offers incredible counter space and pristine white cabinetry to keep everything perfectly organized. Check out this insane 4 to 6 car luxury garage featuring mirror-polished floors and sleek white walls.
This incredibly comfortable indoor lounge seating area offers the absolute perfect spot to relax under massive glass walls.
Experience absolute audio perfection inside this high-fidelity listening room, loaded with massive custom speakers and acoustics.
Walk through this gorgeous entry transition hallway boasting pristine polished stone flooring and endless bright natural sunlight.
This elegant bedroom suite features beautiful custom decorations, crisp white linens, and breathtaking panoramic ocean views. Even the private staff quarters offer complete luxury living with top-tier modern amenities and zero clutter. This stunning indoor walkway flows seamlessly past massive clear glass facades overlooking the vibrant blue bayfront waters. Unwind inside this incredible private wellness oasis, boasting an ultra-modern sauna and premium white marble tilework. This sleek contemporary powder room features beautiful charcoal accents, a floating marble vanity, and brilliant designer lighting. Keep things perfectly organized with this hidden prep kitchen loaded with elite appliances and massive storage counters. Host the most epic modern billionaire parties inside this massive private entertainment room overlooking the beautiful bayfront. Even the private back-of-house service corridors feature flawless modern lines and brilliant clean white structures.
This massive his and hers master walk-in closet feels like an ultra-premium luxury designer boutique.
This spectacular indoor poolside lounge deck blends perfectly with the sun-drenched outdoor spaces and coastal breeze. Breathe in the fresh air inside this beautiful indoor citrus orchard atrium flooded with bright, natural light. This stunning grand music performance lounge features an incredible grand piano and unforgettable panoramic oceanfront backdrops. Control your entire home environment effortlessly using this elite smart climate control touchscreen system in every room. Enjoy complete privacy inside this gorgeous private sitting lounge, completely surrounded by beautiful tropical palm trees. Check out this incredible small glass wine vault, showcasing your elite collection behind high-tech climate glass.
This ultra-clean mudroom entry offers seamless storage closets and polished stone floors to keep everything spotless.
Your kids will love studying inside this massive, bright room featuring custom minimalist desks and natural sunlight. Unwind inside this magnificent indoor relaxation pavilion, completely surrounded by soaring glass panels and peaceful ocean views. Even the private back-of-house service stairs boast flawless geometric lines and pristine white marble craftsmanship. Crush your morning workouts inside this massive professional home gym, loaded with high-end matte charcoal equipment.
This beautiful indoor dining extension lounge seamlessly expands your entertaining space right next to the pool deck.
Shoot some pool inside this epic entertainment hall, featuring a custom white table with aqua felt inserts. This luxurious indoor spa shower features custom rain shower heads, flawless white marble, and integrated aqua accent lighting. Find complete inner peace inside this tranquil meditation room, boasting pristine stone flooring and panoramic oceanfront views. Marvel at this spectacular designer furniture piece, curated perfectly for an elite, custom coastal billionaire lifestyle. This pristine custom pantry storage room offers massive organized shelving and flawless minimalist handleless cabinetry closets. This unbelievable modern coastal masterwork is truly one of the most magnificent estates on Earth. Drop a comment if you would live here and make sure to subscribe for more epic tours.